We invite you today not only to improve your own health, but if you want to join us, you can do that. You can be part of our Health Alliance. You can be helping others, help yourself, and above all, you can look in the mirror or in the face of your children and grandchildren one day, who may ask you, what did you do when you heard about this? Or when you knew it? And you can say, I did it. I did something. You don't have to work with us. You can do this for yourself, in your community. But I encourage you to become a health educator after tonight, in one way or another. We are determined as an organization, as the Dr. Rath Health Alliance, to break down the walls that you've seen before, the walls of diseases that prevent us from entering a world where heart disease, cancer will still be around, but they will not be the cause of death for every second in case of heart disease or every fourth in case of cancer person. We are looking for people to work with us who share our vision for social responsibility in your community. People who care about this community, about our planet. And people who want to take responsibility for themselves and for the people around them. I'm at the end of my talk. I encourage you to stay around, take the information that you like to take with you. And if you want to have additional information, you can go to our website and study that. Thank you very much for coming.
So to begin with this evening, before Dr. Rath speaks, we thought it might be a good idea if I tell you a little bit about Dr. Rath and the Foundation, what we do and what we stand for. The Foundation is a non-profit organisation, and our money is used to support research work into natural therapies and educational work about the business practices of the pharmaceutical industry, what we call the business with disease. To illustrate our work, I'm going to briefly summarise a few of the campaigns that we're engaged in at the moment to give you an idea of what it is that we do. Our Stop Codex campaign will be where I'll start. Codex is the Codex Alimentarius Commission. It's a United Nations organisation. It lives and breathes the air of the UN system. It's sponsored by two United Nations organisations, the Food and Agriculture Organisation and the World Health Organisation. As you'll see, most of its money comes from the Food and Agriculture Organisation. This, as you will see in a moment, is because Codex is not really about health. What does it do? Well, it creates international standards and guidelines for all food products, which includes food supplements. This also includes many of the things that you don't want to find in your food, such as food additives, pesticide residues, food contaminants, and so on. In the case of food supplements, what Codex is doing, and perhaps the main thing that concerns us as the Foundation, is it's threatening to reduce the levels of micronutrients in these supplements to near useless levels.